Welcome in Basic English Grammar, and today's topic is adverb. Do you know what is the definition of adverb? Adverb means what is the meaning of adverb? Okay, let's start. Let's see the definition of adverb. Adverb is a word that tells how, when, where an action is done. Means adverb is a word gives the information where how is the action is done, when is action is done, and where is action is done. Okay, and adverb is a word that tells how, when, where an action is done. And action किस प्रकार से हो रही है, कहाँ हो रही है, कब हो रही है और कहाँ हो रही है, ये जो वर्ड्स बताता है उसको क्या कहा जाता है? एडवर्ब. एडवर्ब मीन्स क्रिया विशेषण. Okay, take example. Ram ran slowly. Ram ran slowly. In this sentence, slowly is adverb. Means when we ask the questions from how ran Ram, we give answer slowly. Na? Ram ran slowly. Means यहाँ पे that's why the slowly is adverb in the sentence. अगर हमने पूछे कि हाउ से क्वेश्चन पूछे कि राम कैसे रन कर रहा है, तो राम रैन स्लोली, है ना. मीन्स दिस हाउ स्लोली इज अ वर्ड दैट टेल्स एक्शन इज डन, यानी एक्शन किस प्रकार से हो रही है, स्लोली हो रही है. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई स्लोली इज एडवर्ब. इन द सेकंड सेंटेंस, रानी केम टुडे. रानी केम today means when we ask question from when, we get answer Rani came today, है ना. That's why today is adverb here. Rani came today. Rani कब आ रही है? Rani came today, and today is the answer. That's why today's action describe the action is done. Okay, means यहाँ पे when से अगर हमें पूछे तो हमें आंसर मिलता है today. That's why today is adverb here. My mother has gone out. My mother has gone out. When we ask question from where, that's that then give answer has gone out. My mother has gone out. That's why has gone out is adjective in this sentence. Okay, let's see the kinds of adverb. Kinds of adverb. First of all, adverbs of time. Adverbs of time. What is the meaning of adverbs of time? They tell us when an action is done. They tell us when action is done. And action कब हो रही है? यहाँ पे we show when से show किया जाता है. और इसे example today, yesterday, tomorrow, now, then, early, late, soon, etc. Take example, another example. That day he arrived late. Okay, in this sentence कब वेन से अगर हमने आज क्वेश्चन पूछे तो हमें लेट आंसर मिलता है, इसीलिए दैट्स व्हाई लेट इज एडवर्ब इन दिस सेंटेंस. ही कम्स हियर डेली. डेली इज एडवर्ब इन दिस सेंटेंस. ओके, अगर यहाँ पे भी हमने वेन से क्वेश्चन पूछे तो हमें क्या आंसर शो होता है? डेली. दैट्स व्हाई ही कम्स हियर डेली इज adverb in this sentence. Then adverbs of frequency. Frequency means बार बार, है ना. Frequency means बार बार. Which show how often. जो often, we show how often, and they tell us how often an action is done, and how an action how often an action is done. That is called adverb of frequency. And what is the examples of adverb of frequency? Look here. Once, twice, thrice, always, never, often, sometime, firstly, and secondly. Okay, take another example. I have told you twice. In this sentence, twice यानी यहाँ पे कौन सी एक्शन फ्रीक्वेंटली हो रही है? दो बार एक्शन है ना, तो twice is adverb in this sentence. Then I often makes a mistake. Often, you look here, often, है ना, which show how it often, and they tells how often an action is done. That's why often is adverb in this sentence. Next kind, adverb of manner. एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर. which show how, किस प्रकार से, in what manner, वो उसी को क्या कहा जाता है, एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर्स. एंड व्हाट इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर्स? ill, well, badly, fast, slowly, certainly, sincerely. All these are examples of adverbs of manner. ये अगर वर्ड्स किसी भी सेंटेंस में आए तो समझ लो ये कौन सा है, एडवर्ब. ओके, टेक अनदर एग्जांपल. गोविंद रीड्स क्लियरली. गोविंद रीड क्लियरली. क्लियरली शो how and in what manner, है ना. Clearly show how and in what manner. That's why clearly is adverb in this sentence. The child slept soundly. The child slept soundly. Soundly is adverb in this sentence. And soundly show how or in what manner. That's why soundly is adverb in this sentence. Then adverb of place. Adverb of place. Next kind. Adverb of place. We show where, है ना, place. We show where, and they tells us where an action is done. They tells us where an action is done. कि action कहाँ पे हो रही है, उसका place बता रहे हैं ना. Here, there, in, out, inside, far, near, etc. ये सब इसके examples है. Take another example. Stand here. Here is adverb. Then my brother is out. Out is adverb. And come in यहाँ पे क्या हो गया, ये एडवर्ब हो गया है. अंडरस्टैंड. लेट्स सी अगेन what is the definition of adverb. Adverb is a word that tells how, when, where an action is done. Okay, take example. Ram ran slowly. When we ask question from how, we get answer Ram ran slowly. That's why slowly is adverb. Rani came today. When we ask question from when, we get answer today. Rani came today. And that's why today is adverb. My mother has gone out. We ask question from where, we get answer has gone out. My mother has gone out. Okay, means that's why gone out is adverb in this sentence. And kinds of adverb, kinds of time. They tells us when an action is done. Means we show when, and when कहाँ पे हो रही है, सब कब हो रही है. इसके एग्जाम्पल टुडे, yesterday, tomorrow, now, then, early, late, soon, etc. Take example. That day he arrived late. यहाँ पे late क्या हो गया है, adverb हो गया है. And इसका time बता रहे हैं यहाँ पे ना. He comes here daily. He comes here daily. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो गया, daily is adverb of time. Then adverb of frequency जो बार बार हो रहा है, which show how often. They tell us how often an action is done. ने बार बार कौन से एक्शन हो रही है इसके बारे में एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम बताते हैं. इसे एग्जांपल once, twice, thrice, always, never, often, sometime, firstly and secondly. I have told you twice. I have told you twice. I often makes mistake. यहाँ पे often and twice क्या हो गया, यहाँ पे adverb of frequency. And another kind is adverb of manner. Adverb of manner, we show how and in what manner. इसके एग्जाम्पल ill, well, badly, fast, slowly, certainly, sincerely. Then an example, Govind read clearly. इस प्रकार से यानी how in what manner, clearly. Then child slept soundly. Soundly is adverb of manner. Then adverb of place, we show where. That tells us where an action is done. Here, there, in, out, inside, far, near, etc. All these are adverbs of examples of adverb of place. Then stand here. My brother is out. Come in. यहाँ पे here, out, in. ये सब क्या हो गए हैं, adverb of place. Thank you.